Welcome to ClearTask. In this quick guide, I will show you how to perfectly center your text, both horizontally and vertically, on a page in Microsoft Word. Let's get straight to it. First, you need to center your text horizontally. Highlight the text you want to adjust. Go to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Look for the paragraph section and click the center alignment icon. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+E. Your text is now horizontally centered across the width of the page. Next, let's center it vertically so it sits right in the middle of the document. Navigate to the Layout tab on the main ribbon. Click on Margins on the far left, then look at the very bottom of that list and click on Custom Margins. A page setup dialog box will open. At the top of this window, select the Layout tab. Look down until you find the Page section. You will see a setting called Vertical Alignment, which is set to Top by default. Click that drop-down menu and change it from top to center. Finally, click OK. Your text is now perfectly centered on the page, both vertically and horizontally. If you found this quick method helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct, and professional tutorials. Thanks for watching.